In today's video, I'm going to teach you exporting sections or notebooks in OneNote. If you've ever needed to back up your notes, hand off an entire section to a teammate, or share a clean, readable copy, exporting is the way to go. For the smoothest experience and full feature support, use the OneNote desktop app. The Windows version works best for complete notebook exports. Start by opening the OneNote desktop app and navigating to the exact notebook, section, or page you want to export. It helps to double check that everything is synced and up to date before you proceed, especially with larger notebooks. Next, go to File, then Export. In the Export Current area, choose what you want to export, notebook, section, or page. This choice determines how much content gets included. If you need the entire structure, including all sections and pages in a notebook, pick Notebook. If you're sharing just a specific section, choose Section. For a single page, choose Page. Now select your format. If you want to preserve the OneNote structure so it can be re-imported later, choose OneNote package with the .1 pkg extension. This is ideal for full notebooks and sections you plan to move, restore, or share with someone who will continue editing in OneNote. If you need a universally readable file for printing or sharing with people who might not use OneNote, choose PDF or Word document, .docx. PDF gives you a fixed, ready-to-print layout, while Word provides an editable document. Keep in mind that PDFs and Word files won't carry over OneNote-specific features like tags or embedded OneNote links. Click Export, choose a save location you'll remember, and give the file a clear name. Large notebooks may take a moment to process, so don't worry if it takes a bit. To bring exported content back into OneNote, open the OneNote desktop app and go to File, then Open and choose Open from other locations. Browse to your .1 pkg file. OneNote will extract it and add it as a new notebook or section, leaving your existing content intact. For single sections saved as .1 pkg, you can also simply double-click the file. It will open directly in OneNote. From there, right-click the section and choose Move or Copy to place it into your target notebook. That's the entire workflow. Export to .1 pkg when you need to preserve structure and re-import later. Export to PDF or Word when you need a clean, shareable copy. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.